In this video, we will present an overview of the Kony Visualizer and how to import the HID component into Kony Infinity. Kony Visualizer is a powerful yet easy-to-use integrated development environment, or IDE, for developing, building, testing, debugging, and deploying web applications or apps for multiple platforms, all from a single code base. You can create a project based on a sample application and use that application as a template or starting point for your application, or select from a rich assortment of pre-built components to use as building blocks for your application. Let's create a project using sample applications and components. To start, select File on the main menu, and then select New Project. A new project window will be displayed. Select Create Custom App, and then click Choose. Enter the project name. The project name should always start with an alphabet character, should only contain alphabetical and numerical characters, and no special characters should be used. Click Create. Select Project Settings in the sample application. Select the Kony Fabric tab. Select the Fabric environment from the Kony Fabric Environment field. Under the Applications tab, change the company name to HID Global. Click Finish. The Kony Visualizer development environment allows users to create distinct layouts using various skins, templates, and assets. The Visualizer supports development of projects for all kinds of form factors, including mobile, tablet, and desktop. Responsive web design is an approach to web page creation that makes use of flexible layouts, flexible images, and cascade style sheet media queries. From Kony Visualizer version 8 onwards, the responsive web design feature has been implemented into Kony Visualizer. When you resize a browser screen, content in the browser resizes based on the resizing design. Using responsive design, you can design a web page for different form factors in a single flex form. On the left side of the screen, select Responsive Web Desktop. Click on Forms and select New Form. Rename the form by clicking on Form and selecting Rename. In Kony Visualizer, there is a default library that contains pre-built components that can be used to build a form. To use a component, just drag the component onto the form. Using the Properties panel, you can configure the component. I'm going to change the ID and change the text to username. In the Properties panel, you can also make changes to the skin and label. I'm going to add a text box component from the library to the form. You can position the component using the mouse. Use the Properties panel to further configure the component. To complete the form, I'm going to add a Submit button using the button component from the default library. I'm going to configure the component using the Properties panel. Under the Action tab, you can configure what action you want the button to perform. Select Edit. Under Action ID, select Invoke Function under Functions. Select Review from the Properties panel to view what the form will look like.